Massive and crew, how do you do? This is Lloyd Parks representing the champion sound called NitraTek Sound. Yeah, man. See it now? Sweet sound. Nitro fear in the sound of talk. Fear in the sound of talk. I see you only come to embarrass your little sound. Gonna kill a DB sound right now, and I don't care. It's not gonna be too late. And I see you run, run, run. I see you run, run, run. And I see you cry, 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 little sound boy. But it's too late, too late. Your sound is dead. NitraTek still the champion sound for many years. And once upon a time I said, you don't care for me at all, care for me at all. I found you on mistake to make me feel so very small. Oh, you don't have me now. I gotta feel someday, somehow, and it's gonna be